So for the sixth experiment, we have to develop a program to sort the contents of a file, text file, and write the sorted content into a separate text file. You have to create two files, that is input file and the output file, to sort the content from the input file and to paste it into the output file. Hint, they have given use string methods. We can use either of any of them, and file methods open, readlines, and write. They have been asked to create two files, that is input.txt and output.txt, and with the method open, readlines, and write. I'll just give you the brief of open, readlines, and write. With by using open, we can open the file in several modes. We have so many options for modes: R for read, W for write, R plus for read and write both, A for append. So read lines will read all the content of the file with the new line character, and write is what we use to write the content from a file. It will take two argument, the file to write from and the file to write with. So here we have used within the same folder. I have created input.txt within the Python folder within Python lab. I have created 6a.py for sixth experiment and input.txt. Within that input.txt, I have just created three things, three fruit names: banana, mango, and apple. And the output file will be apple, banana, and mango. So it will be the content will be sorted. How? We'll see. So the problem statement is clear till now. We have to create input.txt. We have to we have to read the content from input.txt. We have to sort it, and we have to paste the sorted content in output.txt. So we have opened the input.txt by using open keyword with the file name input.txt, and we are reading those lines. Dot read is also another option, but dot read lines will read all the content from this file with the new line character. So then what we have two things here. We have cleaned the lines, the thing which we have read from the input.txt with those new line characters for line in line. First program flow will come here. This will be executed first. For a line within these lines, the content will be separated by commas: banana, comma, mango, comma, apple. Then so those things will be read, and then line.strip. Wherever there is a new line character, it will mark that new line character and it will separate it, and it will just convert it into a list. So cleaned is a list of all the elements without the new line character. Then clean.sort. Clean.sort is what? After this, clean.sort is a built-in method with which all the elements with these characters will be swapped its position. So apple will be in the first position, banana will come second, and the mango, because of this M, it will just be in the third position. Then what else we have? Then we have to open. We have used with keyword, so that we have to open the output.txt, and we are using with keyword to open the output.txt. If we don't need to close it, if we are not tracking, we are using with keyword to close the file which we are opening, output.txt, automatically. So with open output.txt, we are opening output.txt. If it is not created, if it is not existing, it will be created within the write mode. So in the write mode, it will be created as f. This is what giving allies. So f is a file handler with which we can write to that file. So within that file, we have to read the content from the cleaned variable name. So clean will store all the elements sorted. So for a line in cleaned, then f.write line. We can check here if you want to check for. So the content will be, it will be apple, banana, and mango will be taken one element at a time for line in clean. Then it will be written in that file with open output.txt in a write mode as f with the f.write method. If you want to see the output, I'll just write the output. So you don't have anything here because we have not given anything. So the output file will be created within the same folder, output.txt, with the content swap. See here, the program has been successfully executed. So the input file was banana, mango, apple, and the output file will be apple, banana, mango. With this just dot built-in function, dot sort and dot write. Write will write all the content from this clean. Hope this is clear. In the next video, we'll just move on to the seventh experiment.